Hi everyone. Today I will stand here and present and stand up for everyone who said that teachers like AI could never replace teachers. Teachers they're most really valuable, like really valuable to all of us. Like we need to stop for everyone. Everyone just think that AI could even replace teachers. But from my own opinion, I think that teachers is the best is actually a person like maybe our second parent who teaches us really nicely. They teach us like about everyday lessons in real life and also in their own subjects too. But while AI, like when they teach, they don't actually give us some emotion or maybe like giving us thoughts or is express about something else. But while teachers, when they actually speak and share to all of us, they actually share with emotion, with thoughts, and with feelings. Like they all gather all their feelings together in one sentence to share to all of us. So, do you ever believe that maybe sometimes when you actually believe that maybe one day in a classroom where all of your friends is actually robots and your teachers are also robots too, then what will you do? So, first first way to solve it, you could like run away and never come back again and just homeschool. Second of all, take a breathe in and relax, then open your eye again, because sometimes you just like imagine or maybe thought of something because you're scared that losing the teachers is a really bad lose, because like when you're ready to lose someone who actually teaches you with emotion, with strong feeling, with emotional thoughts, then how could you ever leave them behind? So that's the reason why that everyone just saying that you need to keep your teachers again in this life. Because like also when AI ready to replace teachers, then all the teachers, where will they teach? And they will have no money to survive, to live, and to take care of their own self and their own lives. So that's the reason why that we need to keep teachers in their own classroom, teaching and gathering and spending time with their own beloved students. So that's the reason why everyone needs to keep teachers available for teaching in school. So that's all of my opinion.